welcome back to the Mickey Bunch. This is Kelly, Kylie, Handsome Matt, and Taylor, and we are here at Animal Kingdom, and we found out that there is a train in Animal Kingdom. We're super excited. It is the Wildlife Express in Rafiki's Planet Watch, so come along with us. And just a reminder, children are forbidden to climb on the parapet. We don't know what a parapet is, but don't let your children climb on it. It's actually kind of a popular activity. Wow, this is so cool. Look at all this stuff. So cool.
Y por favor, vigilen a los niños. Gracias.
Goodbye.
See you next fall. Oh, goodbye. They were really fun.
Welcome aboard.
Real men wear ears.
With service to Rafiki's Planet Watch. Here, you'll discover a wide range of animal infection section, where you can get a closer personal look at domesticated animals like goats, sheep, and more. To sneak peeks at animal care in action.
So, just a reminder, no cooking is allowed on the train. And you can go look at animals and be up close and take a picture with some baby elephants. Ah, there's the Wilderness Explorer badge and book. Learn about animals. Oh, Matt and Kylie are going to be wilderness explorers.
Yeah, so this is your habitat badge. So we have like a backyard scavenger hunt. So you guys are welcome to look for the animals in our backyard here. Oh,
the turtle. There's a bunny.
There are a few bonus ones out there too. But you're welcome to take it home and kind of, look around at home too. Great way to help them out is just by, planting plants, right? It could be something as small as like a potted flower. That creates a habitat for a lot of animals.
That's cool.
Yep, and look at that.
We got 5 minutes to kill, right?
Spider.
Ah!
Oh. Beetle.
Butterfly.
Which one do you need help with?
And a ladybug.
Oh, right here.
Dang.
Right in front
All
of
right,
us.
now I got them all.
Yeah, we're good.
He's in the
You got
little
the
bat
caterpillar,
house. There's a praying mantis. Zip tied. Not sure if that's exactly what we want to be doing. Oh, look, some ants
Listen to the
and,
kid.
and a dragonfly
Where is it?
And I just found it. Where is
and a frog.
the dragonfly?
I've done them all.
Help us.
That?
That's a dragonfly.
Oh, that's the dragon. All right, where's the bag?
Gotta help the kids out.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm looking for.
Found them all immediately.
Found them all.
2 seconds. I found them.
It's this way. If you ever see any of these type of things at any of the parks, I found out they're bat houses. So that's how they control all the mosquitoes and yucky bugs we tend to get here in Florida. So, little tiny bats. That's frightening. Garden. I like this. All the pretty flowers. Got some Zootopia characters. Drinks.
Buy 2 of those, you save $10.
Oh, that's a deal. Thank you so much.
$26.99 plus, so it includes Pua, of course those 2, Simba and Nala, all of your elf characters, and Bruce.
Oh, I love it. Thank you so much.
And then any other discounts on top of it.
Oh, wow. That's great. Oh, you really look like a wilderness explorer now. It'd be the perfect like Animal Kingdom bag. Oh, and look, they have a stuffy. There's reptiles in here. I was hoping that would dissuade them, Taylor.
Thank you.
But apparently they don't like themselves. So this looks cool in here. Looks like you can learn stuff and look at creepy things. So I'll probably not be getting super close to the creepy things. Oh, there's a Christmas tree. Well, this is an example of what they eat. Pretty cool. Looks like a nice salad. Wonder what could be in here. Wow. No, thank you. Vertebrates. So, looks like more creepy things. Frightening. And there. And ooh! Can you see it? That green? And then, wow. The highlight? Madagascar hissing cockroaches. That's another no thank you. And blue beetles.
Blue death beetle. Jean, how do you say that?
Blue death feigning beetle. Death beetle. Okay. No thank you. This is just like a horror movie. Look at my hand. Wow.
What is it?
Flower beetle. Skink. Look at pepperoni it looks. And then, you know, some snake skin in the shape of a Mickey head. That's cute. Said no one ever. Chinese crocodile lizard. And there he is. All kinds of animals. You can watch surgery, I guess. And then you can also go to the animation. It's kind of like hard to see. We're gonna go by the animation station where you can learn to draw, and they give you paper and pens. Pretty
cool. The
cool.
blackboard that Walt is holding right now over that picture is not unlike the blackboard you guys are using here.
They do show, if you look on YouTube, you can find the animation instructionals there. So if you don't want to use up part of your park time, you can definitely do it at home. Petting zoo, but we're going to skip that. So if you want, there's like a big cow thing over there, and I guess you can pet it. But we're heading back to the train to go have some more fun. Go ride Everest. We survived our trek through nature and scary things, and now we're getting back on the train.
The only thing we could suggest is
A lot of people wanting to ride the train.
Now we're ready for some awesome ice cream at Dino Bite Snacks in Dinoland in Animal Kingdom. In my opinion, the best ice cream on Disney property. They have these awesome hand scoop ice cream treats. The cookie sandwich is my favorite. They usually have one different for each holiday or season. This one was peppermint vanilla ice cream, chocolate chip cookies, so delicious.
So what you got here, guys?
I got strawberry chocolate chip cookie sundae, and it is amazing. It is huge. It's so big. I just can't. It's so great.
Oh, the cookies look so good.
I got the same thing, but chocolate ice cream.
I love
This
that you
is-
can customize it.
Yeah, this is amazing. The cookie is so good. It's freshly baked.
Soft.
You gotta try it.
Dino Bites.
It's Dino Bite.
We just finished our ice cream sandwiches at Dino Bites. They are amazing. Definitely, in my opinion, the best ice cream on property, and definitely at Animal Kingdom.
Thank you so much for coming with us on our super fun day at Disney's Animal Kingdom Park. We rode the train, we went to Rafiki's Planet Watch, we saw some really creepy bugs and stuff. We became wilderness explorers and had the best ice cream ever. Let us know in the comments below what you think of our fantastic day and what your favorite part was. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, so you don't miss anything the Mickey Bunch or anything Disney. We wish you a very blessed and magical day. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.